Pigtails, we haven't got all day.
I'm being as quick as I can.
I'll give you a hand.
No! Ah! Oh, now look what you've done. I'll have to find something to mend this with.
Here we go again.
They're going out, which means I can go in.
So?
Yes! That's what I'm going to do when I get in there. So, they must have a needle and thread somewhere.
Wait a minute. You know what happens every time we go in a house? Trouble.
No, it's when you go into a house there's trouble. That's why you're going to wait out here.
Suits me.
See you later.
If I'm still here.
Look!
Who the blazes is she?
I haven't the faintest idea, sir.
Well, ask her.
I'm Annie. I hope you don't mind. I needed to borrow some thread.
She breaks into our house, steals our supplies, and then has the cheek to ask if we mind. I don't know what the world's coming to.
I'm very sorry.
I'm afraid that's not enough.
I don't know what else I can do.
You can show just how sorry you are by doing some work for us.
Work?
Yes, work. There's a cupboard full of toys upstairs. Most of them could do with smartening up. That's where you come in.
I'd love to help, but my friend Teddy, he's outside. If I could just tell him.
Ah, the old I'll just tell my friend Teddy trick, eh? You won't get away with that one. You don't leave this house until those toys are mended.
Pigtails! Pigtails! Dolls.
Not what you call neat, is it?
That's because I'm getting tired. Please, can I go now?
No. At times like these, we all have to make sacrifices.
There's all these to do as well.
Dolls. Pigtails! Which one's she in? That one? No. It's got to be that one. Pigtails? Oh, no! Get off me! Help!
Right, I'm going.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. You can't keep me here.
We can. We've been granted special powers to conscript civilian toys.
I don't understand.
It's quite simple. We all have to do our bit in time of war.
War?
War. We're at war.
Let me go!
That's enough of that. You do as you're told.
Why are you doing this to me?
You're a spy.
That's news to me. Who am I spying for?
Next door. Put him in with the other one. For you, the war is over.
Pigtails? Is that you?
No, it's me, Bobtail. But that's a joke. My tail came off in the battle last week.
Battle? What battle?
I live in the house next door. The soldiers from in here attacked us.
Why?
It all started when the boy who lives in this house came into us to play. One of the soldiers went missing and they say it's all our fault.
How did you end up here?
They took me prisoner. They say I can't go home until they get their little kneeling man with the bazooka back.
Have you tried to escape?
There's no way out of this cupboard.
There's got to be. Can you untie me?
I could bite the string.
Ow! You're supposed to be biting the string, not me.
Teddy?
Pigtails, where are you?
Here, next door.
I'm locked in a cupboard. You've got to get me out.
I can't. Anyway, it's your turn to rescue me.
I'm on my way. We'll have to get out of here on our own.
How?
We're gonna knock that door open. Ready? 1, 2, 3!
All units fire at will.
That's enough of that. I'm in charge now.
You're our prisoner.
No, I'm your general. And I'm leading you into action next door. By the left, quick march. Left, right, left, right. I'm gonna turn you horrible little men into a lean, mean fighting machine. About turn and down to the kitchen for ammunition. Up 2, 3, 4. Squirty cream.
Yes, sir.
Sausages.
Yes, sir.
Sprouts.
With respect, sir, are you sure that's necessary, sir?
This is war, Sergeant. We can get through into the roof of the next door house over here. Are we above the drop zone now, Sergeant?
Yes, sir.
Corporal Bobtail, jump to it.
All right, sir.
Airborne assault unit, go, go, go! Geronimo! Sergeant, we're moving out!
Yes, sir. It's the enemy, sir. They're not fighting fair. They're using baked beans.
Deploy the squirty cream. We'll have to deploy the sausages and the sprouts. Come on!
What's happening?
They're fighting.
Is there a teddy bear with them?
It was his idea.
Was it? Right. Well, my idea is that they stop fighting. Did they make all this mess?
No, that was me. I ought to get the vacuum cleaner.
The vacuum cleaner. That's a brilliant idea.
We've got them cornered. We'll let them make the first move.
I've got a shower, and I'm not afraid to use it.
We're not scared of you, Jumbo. Attack! Retreat!
I think the answer to the problem might be in here. There he is!
This'll give us all the cover we need. Follow me, lads!
I found your missing soldier.
You sure?
He's here.
So we've won.
No, we fought you in the bedroom. We fought you in the bathroom. We fought you on the stairs. We remained undefeated.
But you would have been.
Quiet. Nobody's won and nobody's lost. And now we're all going to help each other tidy up.
We're soldiers. We don't tidy up.
Yes, you do. Come on. At least they're friends again.
That's because all this cleaning up's made them too tired to fight.
They don't need to fight anymore. Let's get this lot back to barracks.
That should be permission to return the platoon to barracks, sir.
Sir?
Yeah, I'm still a general. Come on, pigtails. Pick 'em up. Left, right, left, right.
You're not in the army now.
That should be, you're not in the army now, sir. Anyway, it's my army. I can stay in it as long as I like.
Oh, no, not again.
We'll have to go back so you can mend it.
Good idea. We can finish the tidying up.
Ah, well, maybe another time.
I think we should go back, sir.
Stop it.
What, sir?
You don't have to call me sir anymore.
Yes, sir. Sorry. Sir.
hate sprouts.